It is an age of fashions. The fascination of fashions has become very strong in our cities. The old and young fully know the importance of fashions. Everyone wants to look smart and modern. Women are especially fond of fashions. Radio, TV, and newspapers and films have played a very important role in popularizing fashions among the people. The modern advertisements have affected even the middle and lower classes of our society. The garment and cosmetic industry and their attractive commercial advertisements have played a leading role in operating fashions. Powders, perfumes, fabrics, footwear, furniture, fast food, and video films have become the fashion of the day. We, being Muslims, should be on our guard. We should follow the teachings of Islam. We should not follow the ways of the other nations blindly. We should lead a simple life. The craze of following the latest fashions has given birth to many social evils. We should avoid these fashions. Thanks for watching. Please like my video and subscribe my channel Our Knowledge.